quick Apple Watch Ultra 2 unboxing. I have taken the peel tabs off because they put my serial number and a bunch of other information everywhere on there. So, but I did get mine in that new black titanium, and I've got the I believe it's the trail loop. Yep, the trail loop with the black titanium. And this is my first Apple Watch since a Series 4 that I'm replacing it with. So let's see. You can see, yeah, Series 4 here. Stainless steel black Series 4. But yeah. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, pretty nice. Sapphire crystal. Nothing much here. Truly a missed opportunity to not make this, at the very least, a dark gray, you'd think, instead of just a regular white. But yep. See what the band looks like. A little bit of paperwork there. Yeah, they really had that dug in there. But very nice little loop there. Yeah, so we'll probably just do some additional coverage on this bad boy, but looking pretty good for now. Glad I waited till they got it in a black or a very dark gray, because I don't know, it just looked odd to me prior to that. So grateful for that. Gonna set this up and probably get a review on that later. Thanks.